Scopy AI just dropped, and if you're looking to level up your digital marketing game, this is the software you need to know about. Stick around as I go over 7 crucial things you need to know about Scopy AI. And believe me, this one's a game changer. Plus, I'll share how you can try it out for free from the first link below. You won't want to miss what's coming, so let's dive in. First off, Scopy AI is designed to streamline your content creation process. Whether you're creating copy, generating ideas, or looking to refine your digital strategy, this software is engineered to save time while producing high-quality results. It leverages powerful machine learning algorithms that focus on understanding the context of your content needs, giving you tailored output every time. What really stands out about Scopy AI is its ease of use. The platform is incredibly intuitive, meaning you don't need a PhD in AI to navigate it. It's designed for marketers, business owners, and content creators who want to optimize their workflows without the steep learning curve. You can generate everything from blog posts to ad copy, making it perfect for anyone in the digital marketing space. But here's the kicker. Scopy AI doesn't just generate content, it helps you optimize it. The platform includes tools for SEO optimization, ensuring that your content ranks well without having to worry about keyword stuffing or irrelevant content. It recommends SEO-friendly adjustments in real time, so your output is always ready to hit the search engines. Another crucial point is the integration capabilities. Scopy AI seamlessly connects with popular platforms like Google Ads, WordPress, and social media tools, allowing you to directly implement your content without switching between apps. This integration is a huge time saver and a productivity booster, letting you stay in one place to manage everything. Now, if you're concerned about quality, don't be. Scopy AI uses advanced algorithms to ensure the content isn't just generated, but created with real human nuance. This results in highly engaging conversational copy, perfect for modern marketing needs. The AI learns your style and adapts, so every piece feels more personalized. One of the most useful features of Scopy AI is its ability to help with data-driven decisions. The software analyzes your existing content and suggests ways to improve it based on what's currently working in your industry. This means you're always ahead of the curve, using data to drive your content creation rather than guesswork. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Scopy AI is incredibly affordable compared to its competitors. When you try it for free through the link in the description, you'll get a taste of how powerful this software can be without any commitment. It's risk-free, and the free trial gives you full access to everything Scopy AI has to offer. Now, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I'm always looking for the best ones. I've included my recommended AI tools in the description below. All of them come with free trials. If you're serious about stepping up your digital marketing game, Scopy AI is one software you need to check out.